Hello, Kansas City. This is Troy Wade with the Caleb Ortnick team and Reese Nichols, your real estate professional here in Kansas City. Another segment here, a video series on working with some of the vendors that I work with here in Kansas City. One of them is Doreen Hansen with Prosperity Mortgage. She is a fantastic loan officer. Prosperity Mortgage does a great job working with me and my clients and helping them on both the sales side and the purchase side of loans. We're going to talk a little bit about buy side today. Doreen, give me a little bit of an understanding. What's the most important thing that my clients or any of those out there that don't have that are thinking about buying a home, what's the most important thing for them to do in this process?
Okay, number one, you have to get pre-approved.
Pre-approved.
And what that entails, what a pre-approval is, you'll talk to me, we'll go through any questions that you have, but then I will direct you to my website to complete what's called a mortgage application. It's very easy. It's 10 to 15 minutes long. But it collects income, assets, employment information. And after I receive all that, I'm then able to take a look at it, give you then a pre-approval letter and a mortgage estimate. And the pre-approval letter will say how much you're pre-approved up to with how much you're going to put down, which we talk about ahead of time. But I give that to Troy as a real estate agent because he's going to need that if you're ready to find and make an offer on a house. He needs the letter. I'll also give you a loan estimate, and the loan estimate will have sales price, interest rate, monthly payment, including your taxes and homeowners insurance, fees involved in a mortgage, and then the estimated amount that you will need at the closing date. So there's a lot of good information on that sheet, and that's the very first step in if you're ready to buy.
And it has to happen. I mean,
Yeah.
You can't buy a home, even in situations where people want to do just cash offers, we still need to have pre-approval or proof of funds to be able to do something like that. And Doreen can help with that process. And she does make it very streamlined. It's very easy and really can be done in hours versus a day or two or a week with some banks here locally having that time frame to be able to get people pre-approved.
Even nights and weekends.
Nights and weekends. I even called Doreen one time on vacation in Colorado, and she wrote up a pre-approval for me after she got off the slopes. So it was great. I wanted to ask you another question though. Some people are really nervous to go out and buy a home right now. There's just not a lot to choose from. They feel that the prices might be up a little bit. They're worried about being able to find a place if they put their house up for sale, and they almost want to do it. They want to flip the process. Instead of selling first, they want to buy first and have that. Is there a way to do that, and one that you would suggest?
Yeah, there is. So
Great.
If you have a house to sell, I would recommend getting a home equity line in place on the house. If you have questions on that, I'm happy to help. Troy can direct you to me too. But that's the very first step, because then you have your equity that's available, that's basically like a checkbook at that point. Your equity is available, so you can use that to put for the down payment on the new house. Because that's the biggest thing that I run into with buyers when they have a house to sell is, well, my money that I'm putting down on the new house is in my sale.
And for those of you who don't know that term, it's contingent. If you're putting in an offer right now that's contingent at any point in time, it's just going to get pushed to the back of all the other offers that come in with yours. You need to be non-contingent walking into a buying situation if at all possible.
Yeah, meaning we want it to be where you don't have to sell your house first before you buy.
Right.
But I can help with that.
Yeah,
and you can too.
And the market is making a lot of people confident of the fact that they can sell their house once they put it up for sale.
Yes.
And that turnaround's pretty quick. You pay off the loan. You have that equity. It's the same amount of money you would have used anyway for the down payment, and everything's moving forward. And with interest rates rising a little bit as we speak, important to go ahead and get that next house locked in at that price. I think it's a great opportunity. All right, quick questions for you outside of real estate. I'm going to throw them at you.
Okay.
Best Mexican restaurant in Kansas City?
Rudy's.
Rudy's.
Downtown.
What's the best thing that Rudy's delivers?
Margaritas.
Frozen margaritas. Okay.
No salt.
If you're a favorite, Rudy's, and you heard it from Doreen. Favorite sporting event you like to attend?
Basketball. Especially Big 12 stuff, right?
College, that's all. I love it. Absolutely love it.
Yeah, college, not pro.
Okay, college. And then give me the best concert you've ever been to.
Dierks Bentley.
Dierks Bentley. All right. Before he had all the curls or after all the curls?
Before all the curls.
Okay,
I don't like
all
the curls.
All the curls not good for the curls. Okay.
Before the curls.
Great. Hey, Kansas City, we want to thank you again for your time. Thank you for joining us. Hopefully you learned a little something from Doreen today. I know I did. and I can tell you from experience how great she is to work with and how she'll put you first in the process.
Same with you, Troy.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Again, Troy Wade with Caleb Bortnick and Reese Nichols, your real estate partner here in Kansas City. Have a great day. Look for information. Let me know if I can connect you with Doreen. Have a great day.